Today we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the Cuisinart 11-piece cookware set from the Chef's Classic Stainless Steel Collection, Model 77 to 11G. This versatile set is oven-safe and includes everything you need to elevate your cooking game. A 1.5-quart saucepan with glass cover, a 2.5-quart saucepan with glass cover, a 3-quart saucepan with helper handle and glass cover, an 8-quart stockpot with glass cover, an 8-inch skillet, a 10-inch skillet, and a 7.08-inch steamer insert. Experience professional performance with an aluminum encapsulated base that heats quickly and spreads heat evenly, eliminating hot spots, while the stainless steel cooking surface ensures no discoloration, reaction with food, or alteration of flavors. The sleek, durable design features riveted stainless steel handles, including side grips and helper handles, for exceptional handling and a lifetime of perfect balance, ensuring a drip-free pour every time. Plus, the flavor lock lid guarantees your best cooking results, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe convenience. With measurement markings for ease of use, this cookware set is designed to help you cook your absolute best, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.